spicy sausage, cheese, and scrambled egg scramble, and some biscuits for brunch this morning. Grabbing some hibiscus and lantana for the yard. Yeah, it's, you know, just a tree inside the car like this.
Every day is like a jungle with you, baby.
Silly.
So wild.
So I'm doing some spring cleaning out my closet. So I'm going to be posting some of my items on Poshmark, which is an app I use to resell makeup, clothes, shoes, pretty much every aspect of fashion, jewelry. Many of you already follow me there on the Poshmark app. So if you're ever curious if I sell any of my clothes or makeup, it's always going to be on that app. But I'm going to be listing a bunch of new clothing, all of the dresses that you see here. I'm going to be listing. These shirts are from American Eagle. They're really soft, but they're extra larges, so they're a little bit larger, too large for me now. And honestly, a lot of these pieces I have worn and loved, but it's just not going to work for me anymore. Either the size is too big or too small, or just not what I'm wanting to wear anymore. And so might as well give it to someone that is going to give it love. This piece here, there's going to be some pieces like this that I actually have never worn. This one was too small on me. It was sent to me from Boohoo, and I'm going to be pretty much giving those away. So they're going to be listed between $1 to $3 just for the shipping, but they're going to be essentially giveaways. So first come, first serve on that. And all of these will be listed after this video goes live. So don't worry, I didn't post these yet, so you don't have to worry about missing out. I'm really sad to part with this beautiful Kate Spade dress, but it's probably like 4 sizes too big now, but it's so pretty. I love all the intricate details to it. Look at the little flowers. This I wore on my bachelorette night for the wedding. I just know I'm not going to wear it anymore. I don't wear white very often. This piece I've never worn from Chic Wish. It just didn't work out and I didn't return it in time online, but it's a romper and it's super cute. It's like a little jumpsuit actually. Yeah, so a bunch of fun. All right, so in full spring cleaning mode, I'm also going to maybe look through some of my makeup and spring clean that, not just my closet. And I will make sure to put anything that is sellable on my Poshmark. Only new makeup can be sold on Poshmark, so just always remember that. And then, gently used clothing I will put on Poshmark as well. So be sure to look at that. I'll have everything linked down below. And I don't put everything on Poshmark, only things that I think you guys would really like, or it's so gently used, like tags are still on it that I want to, still get some of my money back for it or something like that. So definitely the place to go. Also, I love going on Poshmark when I can't find something that was limited edition somewhere. So say like right now, the Draper James collection that I love from Kohl's. Later, when that's gone, you're not going to be able to find those dresses again. Poshmark is the place where I have found things that people are selling them later on that I couldn't find previously. Even things like makeup or like the simplest things like maybe leggings that no longer are around anymore, or specific brand that's not selling that anymore. Poshmark is the way. We are about to have this really yummy apple salad from Trader Joe's, and it has like toasted almonds and apple vinaigrette, which I have not poured on. And it did not come with the chicken. I added the grilled chicken, and I actually added some fresh apples because there were just like these freeze-dried apples. So I added some fresh apples too. Can't wait to chow down on this. Pacifica sent some new fragrances my way, and I did try both of them. And the Sunrise Moon is my new favorite. It has peach in it, and it smells so good. It has some warmth to it with the mandarin and the cardamom. And then this one is more of like a fresh scent, in my opinion. It has sandalwood, jasmine, smoky cardamom. Yeah, both are really nice, but I definitely like the Sunrise Moon more. And a really pretty bottle, too. Only thing I don't love about the Pacifica fragrances is they don't have a cap. And I'm not sure why they do it that way, because you can't really travel at all with it. But anyways, look how pretty like that gradient effect is with the orange and the pink. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna put some on right now, actually. So I was putting some cute outfits together for St. Patrick's Day, and I thought I'd share with you guys. I did post these on my Instagram, some outfit ideas, but this dress is so nice, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. It's a nice thicker material to the point where it's thick enough that it's not going to show anything through it, but it's not hot, which I think is going to be really nice for spring and summer. And it has a crisscross back with adjustable straps and a zip, and it comes in different colors. I definitely want to get in a different color. I like the green, but green's not my favorite color. So since it's all solid one color, I'd probably get it maybe in black or something else, but I do really like the quality of the dress. And then this cute little mini skirt that is a wool fabric. I did put stockings underneath because that's just how I am comfortable wearing a skirt this short, but it does come in different lengths too and different patterns. But of course I liked this kind of plaid for St. Patrick's Day. And then my favorite are the accessories for sure. Look how cute this is, this fanny pack. So I didn't wear it around my waist. I just wore it around my shoulder, which is like the new trend, I feel like, for fanny packs. But if you're going bar hopping or going to like a festival for St. Patrick's Day, this is so cute. It holds a beer. Has a little cozy, or in my case, I put a Diet Coke in there because I'm not a beer drinker really. But I just thought this was super cute. It has 3 different spots for your goodies, your wallet and everything. And then these earrings. These earrings come in different colors too, but I got the tiered green ones for St. Patrick's Day. And they're so fun. So you'll definitely be seeing me wearing these, especially on my Instagram account. But I am now off to go and make a recipe. Again, St. Patrick's Day themed, and I will be showcasing that on my Instagram, but I'll show you guys the finished product. It's the leprechaun bait. It has to harden still, the white chocolate that's on top of it, but has marshmallows and candies, green M&Ms and green Reese eggs and corn checks, some pretzels. So yeah, I will leave the recipe down below for you guys. It's smelling scrumptious, that's for sure. Really? What are you doing? What are you doing? Barking at the guys the entire time. They're finishing the yard today. Guys, it's finally done. They planted the trees today, and they laid the rock and the mulch. Over there. The doggies are very happy. So phase 1 of our backyard is done. You'll continue to see it get even more lush because we don't have very many trees and plants so far, but we will eventually, and we'll have the gazebo here eventually. But for now, I'm done with phase 1. I'm getting ready still, so don't pay attention to that, but I just ate one of these, and I think they're pretty new from Built Bar. If you guys don't know Built Bar by now, I've been talking about them for years before celebrities and other big people start talking about them. I'm so glad that they're popular though, because they're so good and they need to be in stores, not just online. But right now they're only online, Built Bars. They're gluten-free, no preservatives, natural flavoring, high in protein, low in sugar and carbs, and sugars. This one has 140 calories, 17 grams of protein, and 6 grams of sugar. I love the puff variety because they're fluffier like a marshmallow, and this literally tastes like Easter candy. This one's the coconut marshmallow, and it's covered in real dark chocolate. So good, you guys. It's like having dessert for breakfast. I had this for breakfast today. So I eat these for meal replacement, or sometimes I'll cut it up and use it as like a sweet treat during the day. Holly's trying to get my attention. But I wanted to mention that. And also I started watching Peacock, which is another like streaming service. And I've been watching the Housewives Girls Trip. Hilarious. Love it. If you watch any of those like housewife shows, you need to watch it. It's so freaking funny. I love it. Trying out another Trader Joe's thing that is something I have not tried before. This bolognese pasta sauce. So I'll let you know after. I'm gonna add some spices and a little bit of my own stuff in there, and then gonna make some probably spaghetti with it. Ignore the Real Housewives of Atlanta in the background. Yep, guilty pleasures, the housewife shows. Anyways, I don't know, also ignore my nails. I'm getting them done tomorrow. Might have been thinking if I have all these containers like this where I have all the pre-portioned boxes in a container like this. How do I portion it out? I use one of these little handy dandy spaghetti measuring tools. It's good for 1, 2, 3, or 4 portions. Isn't that cool? All right, guys, time to get these nails done because they're in dire need. And then I have a few errands to run today. Chris's birthday is tomorrow, so I want to get everything prepared for that. I need to go to the grocery store. Kids are going to be over this weekend, so yeah. So I am currently in the Chick-fil-A line getting some lunch for my mama and me. I'm going to surprise her and bring lunch. The flowers didn't turn out exactly how I wanted her to do them, but very cute still. Very spring and fun with the pastel colors, and yeah, I like how they turned out overall. Just the flowers were supposed to be like a little more staggered, but I do like them. Better lighting for my spring nails. They are so fun. The flowers are growing on me also. Hey, what you doing? I got my other girl right next to me here too, Lucy. She loves to sunbathe, right babies? Yeah? Good girl. I'm just enjoying the absolutely gorgeous day in the yard. Our grass is all growing in really nice and green. A lot of you asked me, is it hard to maintain grass in Arizona? It can be, depending on the grass you get. We planted the winter sod, I believe, which is more, I don't quote me on this yet because I'll make sure and I'll put it right here. But I believe we got the winter side that does well all year round. So yeah, we're hopeful. The reason we ended up not getting the artificial turf is because it apparently is not very good for environment. It actually brings up more heat and can also be harmful to the doggies because of how hot it gets. And as you can see, our lawn is in direct sun for a good part of the day. So that's why we decided against that, because the doggies love the grass way too much. As you can see, her toys over there. Right? No more playing? So Chris's birthday presents came in. So we are going a little light on the presents this year since we spent a lot on the yard, doing the yard. So birthday presents aren't going to be as much. He actually told me to get him nothing, but that was not going to happen. So I knew that he really needed some basketball shorts, and I saw these really cool Phoenix Suns ones. And you know how big of a Suns fan he is. And these are like the official NBA ones. So I got these, and then I got some nice sweatpants for him because he was saying that he needs another pair. And these aren't too heavy of a sweatpant, so he can keep using them in the Arizona spring because we get a little bit warmer. Also, when I saw these in stores already, I had to get these for his birthday because they are both Chris and I's guilty pleasure. But I'm talking about the Reese eggs, or the shaped Reese's, like the Christmas trees or the hearts or the eggs. They are where it's at, in my opinion. I would say these are my favorite, the eggs. But regular Reese's probably wouldn't make the cut for me. I think I just love the ratio of extra peanut butter in these. But anyways, they're not for me. They're for him, and I just put his birthday bag together. So I'm gonna plop those in there too. It's Chris's birthday today. I was just finishing up writing in his little card here. But isn't this too cute? Happy birthday to my main squeeze. He's the king of dad jokes, so I thought that this was perfect for him. Look how cute the Starbucks people put happy B-Day on Chris's free birthday Starbucks. You know it's tradition. We gotta go and get that. I got a pink drink. Gavin got a caramel frap. And Chris got... Oh, they even put happy birthday on the thing too. Mocha. It's actually caramel mocha, but...
Yeah, I went all out.
Anyways, with extra shot. You're supposed to on your birthday because calories don't count, and yeah, caffeine doesn't count. got a little surprise from Mama Bee over here.
It's neat.
This is his favorite rock stars that he has a lot of time in the morning, which he hasn't had in a while. So I'm looking a little shiny because we went for a hike earlier. But we just had Red Robin for dinner, and I forgot to vlog that because that's one of Chris's favorites. So we had that for dinner, and then we're gonna have German chocolate cake. His two favorite cakes are carrot cake or German chocolate, so we kind of go in between those. So I will probably insert some clips of his birthday celebration with the cake at the very end here, but I just want to say so much big thank you to you guys for all of your love and support all the time and the comments that you leave. I do read every single comment, but sometimes I don't get back to your comments, responding to you very quickly. But don't take that as I don't appreciate them, because I really do. And I love seeing the same faces commenting every week and supporting. It really means so much to me. And I just wanted to make sure to come on here and say that because yeah, I just thought that was important to say. So I will see you again next week. I'm putting so much effort and time into my Instagram right now, my Instagram reels. It's just, I'm passionate about that at the moment. And not that I'm not about YouTube, I am, but I feel like my artistic creativity has been going there a little bit more than here. So if you want to see some of that, definitely go and check out that. Also, don't forget, I'm going to have all the Poshmark info linked down below if you guys want to shop my closet. I'm going to have about 10 new pieces up this weekend, and every weekend I'm going to try to post a couple pieces here and there. So just make sure to follow my Poshmark so you'll be notified on your Poshmark when I post new things. And I will see you guys next week.